How to run Google Ads for Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can run Google Ads for your Shopify store. Now we all know that Shopify can be a great tool to use when building your e-commerce store if you're looking to get started with dropshipping, but now, because of how saturated the market has become, it's really important that you set up something like Google Ads to promote your newly created store, especially when you're launching your stores in the initial phases of your stores. You do want to run Google Ads to get more leads, get more engagement, and build your brand. So, for that, simply head on over to ads.google.com. From here, you can just click on Start Now to start advertising via Google. Now, the best part about Google Ads is that you are able to, personalize a lot of things. You can target a specific community, a specific demographic, and you are able to customize your ads. So, firstly, we are going to select our billing country, time zone, and currency. And I'm just going to use Canadian dollars. And then after that, you have some promo offers and you're just going to click on continue. Once you have done that, you can move towards, starting to build your Google ad profile. So over here, you guys can see on the left, you have your campaigns, goals, and tools. Now, the best part about using Google Ads is that they have a large variety of analytical tools that can help you in gathering amazing data. So on the left, firstly, you have your campaign section, and this allows you to see all of your campaigns that you have created on your Google account. So over here, we're going to click on new campaign over here so we can start building our Shopify portfolio. Now for our Shopify store, the main purpose that we want to have for any ads that we're running for Shopify is to drive more sales. Usually that is going to be your largest goal. Your second largest goal might be brand awareness. So usually these two things are primary or website traffic. So for most people that are starting off on Shopify, they will want to boost their sales or boost their brand awareness. For me, let's say I want to boost my sales, and you guys will see campaign types. So firstly, you have the search campaign where you can get in front of high intent customers. Then you can reach audiences across Google platforms with a single campaign. Then you have demand gen where you can drive demand and conversions on YouTube, Discover, and Gmail. Then you have display where you can reach customers across 3 million sites and apps with engaging creatives. Then you have shopping where you showcase your products to shoppers as they explore what to buy. So for me, I want to go for display ads or shopping ads. Now, the search ads are great, but sometimes search ads can be a bit ineffective. However, when you have a particular brand, when you have something really specific, then you want to go for a search campaign type. But if you have a brand or products that are very generic and that people could buy elsewhere as well, then it might not be the best idea because those people probably want to orient towards the brand or the stores that they already know. So I want to go with a display campaign, or I think I want to go with a shopping campaign. And from here, you can select your products from your Google Merchant Center. Now, there are going to be different ways that your campaigns are going to behave depending on the type of campaign it has. So, for a search based campaign, you are going to select the ways that you would like to reach your goal. Performance Max is slightly different, Demand Gen is different, Display is different, as well as shopping is different. So I want to display my website and I'm going to open this up and open up my store URL. And once I've done that, I'm going to put my business address over here and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to choose your sales conversion goals. So what is the most important thing that you want to achieve with this Google campaign? If you want people to purchase your product or purchase subscriptions. You also have other goals, such as add to cart or begin checkout. I want to show my ads to people who are most likely to buy products from your website, app, or store. And you can also customize how you want to set this goal up. So, who do you think would be the people that would most likely buy product? Or you can begin at checkout. So, to display your ads at the checkout of a store when people are, purchasing products. Now, I think I want to go with the purchase conversion goal. And then after that, we have our campaign name. So let's say this is going to be our sample campaign. And then we have advanced conversions. So once you have created your campaign, click on over here. And from here, you're going to set up your campaign. So this includes things like your budget, what is the audience you're looking to target, what is going to be your ad creative. So firstly, we are going to add a particular location option. Let's say I want to target people that are in Canada. So let's say I'm drop shipping. So I want to target Canada, and you can also include a specific location. Then below that, you have inclusions or exclusions. So people regularly and who've shown interested in your included locations. Then after that, you have your language. I'm going to be using English, and then I'll click on next. Now you're going to add your average budget. Now, keep in mind that your budget is really going to determine the type of results that you might get. So, initially, you will see on the right, you have a weekly estimate as well. So, what kind of results will this render? What kind of results are you going to get with a particular budget? You can put in your budget over here and you will get a estimated performance. Below that, you have your bidding. So, what you want to focus on. If you want conversions, conversion value, or if you want viewable impressions. So for me, I want to directly relate this with conversions, which means how many people are going to view the ad and then actually go onto my website and purchase a product. Now, we also can, customize how we want to set conversion. So if we want to manually set a bid group or automatically maximize conversions. Then click on next over here. And then after that, we can add our targeting. So what is the audience we would like to target? We can click on add targeting over here and add some key demographics. This includes your audience segments, demographics, keywords, topics, and placements. If you don't, you can skip this part as well and move directly towards your ad creative. In your ad creative, you will see on the left, you have your business name that you can add. My business name is Lily's. Then we can add images, logos, videos, and headlines. Now I'm going to click on images over here, and you guys can see we have free stock images. We can upload our own as well. I'm going to be uploading my own. So I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to use these two images like so. And once you add your images, you can, if you have any promo videos, you can add those as well. But I'm just going to save these two over here. Once I've done that, I can proceed and add a headline. The best makeup, or let's say this is going to be rat makeup. And then on the right, you will see to preview your ad, you have to add the URL, business name, two images, one headline, one description. So we're just going to complete that. The best makeup sale is live. And then we can add a long headline, a description. Buy the latest eyeshadow drop like this. So you guys can see it's going to display my ad creative in multiple different ways. It's going to show me example versions of my ad. Once I've completed this, I can click on create ad and then click on next. And then we can review our campaign and proceed with our budget as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.